Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a simple LLM chat application whose assistant name is BotMan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this UI stuff first, and then we are going to just go over the code base, just an overview, not the detailed one. Okay. So let's start with it. By default, I have selected GPT-5, but there are different options. So basically what we have done is we have taken Groq and OpenAI for the time being with respect to the models. So let's check with GPT-5 first, and then we can select another model as well. Here you can provide the API key as well, otherwise it will take it from the environment variables. And you can provide a default system prompt as well. So let's ask first question, what is Gen AI? So what it will do is it will call this OpenAI API, and whatever the answer that it responds with, it will provide us with that answer, right? So Gen AI is a branch of artificial intelligence, right? As you can see, it is giving us the answer. Now let's select a different model. How can I learn Gen AI? So let's see what is the answer it is giving. Right, so it is giving us the complete roadmap, quick roadmap, basically what needs to be learned, right? How can we learn all that, right? So in this way, I can ask my chatbot. I can clear the history as well. Once I click on clear chat history, it will clear all the options, right? So let's see the code base real quick. So I have different options available. So first one is app config. In this one, what we can do is we can define API keys, Groq API, OpenAI API key, default bot name. I have kept it as botman, but you can define other ones. Default system prompt. So you can define all of them. Inside the main, you have the main code where we have defined a class called LLM app, and in that one we are checking whether the provider is OpenAI or Groq based on the option that we have to select. So in this way I can perform the operations, and if the API key is not there, it will give us an error, right? uh, in terms of requirement, we have installed all these packages. And Streamlit is basically the UI that we just saw. It's a Python framework that we can use for deploying these type of applications, right? So if you look at it, it's a kind of, we are defining it in the markdown space, where I'm setting the page config, simple LLM chat applications and all those things. How to render the data, like it will give you the raw data, and then how do you want to render it? All those options we can define it from here, right? So if you look at it, I have given the title, sub header and markdown what I need to display over there, and then what are the model options, temperature, max token, system prompt, all those things. If I click on clear chat history, what it will do, and how it would perform all the operations. So that all I have given it. And to run this application, we just simply call this a Streamlit, run Streamlit underscore app, right? So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.